Alright, water's gone down. It's still going out a bit. You still see it moving this way. And I'm just hitting the banks here. I'm looking for some of these washouts like this. You know, might have been like a Huss crossing. That one doesn't look too promising. I've been hitting in front of them in the all iron mode just to find out if there's like a lot of iron. If there was a lot of iron in front of like a washout like that, it would kind of give me an idea that that it was used maybe fairly quite often, you know. But anyways, I was over here and I just dug up this, and I don't know what it is. I'm guessing maybe an Indian head. It came up, it read kind of real low. Well, it read all right at first, and then when I dug it, then it seemed like it read low, but it was a solid hit. So I'm guessing it's copper. But boy, the thing is, where it comes out of the water so shiny, it's hard to tell. But man, geez, I hope I can figure out if I can see something on it, you know. Anything to give me an idea if it's an Indian head or not. I don't know. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna keep working my way around here. Right over there is where I found an Indian head, 1881. Kind of like right in front of that big, just beyond this tree here. There's an old crossing or something, and then I found that British copper over there. Don't know the date. It was between 1770 and 1775, so that's what we figured it is from what we've seen on it. But yeah, so I'm gonna hit around in here. I hit over there pretty good yesterday. Camera wasn't working, couldn't film nothing. But I'm gonna kind of move my way around this a little bit. All right, I'll turn this on if I get something else.